Mathematical logic and questions. So ngayon, atin munang alamin kung ano ang math logic. Logic, a proper or reasonable way of thinking about something. Halimbawa nito ay 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng calculator o kahit ano pang gamit. Kailangan na lang natin gamitin ang ating utak at ang ating pag-iisip para masolusyonan ang problemang ito. And now, I will give you some logic questions and puzzles. Let's try to solve it. Let's have fun in math. Ang unang halimbawa is 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1. Bakit 1 ang naging answer? Bibigyan ko kayo ng time para mag-isip kung bakit 1 ang naging answer dito. So ngayon, i-explain ko sa inyo bakit 1 ang naging sagot natin. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1. The question is why the answer is 1. Isulat natin isa-isa ang mga numbers. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 1. So ngayon, kukunin natin isa-isa yung unang letra ng numbers. So kunin natin sa 1 yung O, yung N sa 9 at E sa 8. Therefore, the answer is 1. To solve this, 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, 4 plus 4 is equal to 10, 6 plus 6 is equal to 15, 8 plus 8 is equal to 20, 1 plus 1 is equal to question mark. Let's try to solve this and find the answer. Bibigyan ko kayo ng kaunting oras para mag-isip. Kung ang sagot mo ay 7, ay tama ka. Akin na ipapaliwanag kung bakit 7 ang naging sagot. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, add 1, kaya siya naging 5. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, add 2, kaya siya naging 10. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, add 3, kaya siya naging 15. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, add 4, kaya siya naging 20. So, therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, add tayo ng 5, kaya siya naging 7. So, ganun yung pattern niya. Sunod-sunod lang yon. Let's try to solve this. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 3 plus 5 is equal to 18. 5 plus 7 is equal to 40. And 7 plus 11 is equal to question mark. Let's try to solve this. And the answer is 84. Why 84? Akin nang i-explain. So, ganito kasi yung pattern niya. Imbis na addition muna yung gagamitin natin, gagawin muna natin siyang multiplication, saka natin gagamitin yung addition. So, 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, 3 times 5 is equal to 15, plus 3, kaya siya naging 18. Then, 5 times 7 is equal to 35, plus 5, kaya siya naging 40. Then, 7 times 11 is equal to 77, plus 7, kaya ang naging sagot natin sa huli ay 84. Which pair of numbers is part of the pattern? 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on. Choose the best answer. A. 3036, B. 4896, or C. 2838. I will give you time to choose your answer. The answer is letter B. 4896. Bakit? I will explain. To find the answer, we multiply by 2 the next number in the sequence. This is the formula. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. 24 times 2 is equal to 48. 48 times 2 is equal to 96. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B, which is 48 and 96. And that is the pattern of this sequence. Now, let's talk about codes. The code for January is 7110. The code for May is 3513. The code for July is 4710. The question is, what is the code for the month of November? Bibigyan ko kayo ng oras para makapag-isip kung ano ang code for the month of November. The answer for the code of November is 81114. Why? I will explain. The month of November have 8 letters. And the month of November is the 11th month. And the letter N is the 14th letter in the alphabet. So therefore, the code for November is 81114. Mr. Bean has 5 daughters. Each of her daughter has a brother. How many children does Mr. Bean have? The answer is 6 children. Why? Because all of her daughter has the same brother. Below equation is true. 8 plus 8 is equal to 61. How? Let's think. The answer, flip your phone to see that the equation is correct. 8 plus 8 is equal to 61. If you flip your phone, it will be 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Let's try to solve this. 16, 2 is equal to 40. 10, 5 is equal to 52. 12, 3 is equal to 50. 6, 2, and what's the answer? Answer and solution. 6, 2 is equal to 15. How? I will explain. So, we will find the answer with this solution. So, first, 6, 2 is equal to 40. We will use this multiplication and division. So, 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Then, 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And 32 plus 8 is equal to 40. Next, 10 times 5 is equal to 50. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. Next, 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So, therefore, 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. And then, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Next, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And the answer of 6 and 2 is equal to 15. What number is missing? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and what's the next number? The answer is 5. How? Because the sequence is 232, 233, 234. Therefore, the next sequence is 235. Try to solve this problem. Sa first line, 3 apples siya is equivalent to 30, kaya 10 pesos per piece of an apple. Sumunod is apple plus banana is equal to 18. Therefore, banana is 4 pesos each kada piging. Sumunod naman, banana minus 2 coconut is equal to 2. Therefore, coconut is 1 pesos each. Ang sagot dito sa huli is 13. Bakit? 1 coconut is equivalent to 1. 1 apple is equivalent to 10. Then, banana is isang piging lang naman siya, kaya equivalent nun is 2 pesos lang. So 1 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 13. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more educational videos.